your thoughts on K-pop, like in general, musically in Korea? It blew up. You think? Well, it's always been big, but it's worldwide. It's not just Korea now.
No, Korean K-pop is very it's more advanced. I mean, talking about it grew a lot. People adopt it and they rapping, they can sing, they can dance, pop music, and dance too.
Look up to American artists,
like Jrekml. He's like a rapper and mostly a rapper and sings, but he's very talented.
Jrekml does a lot of things. He composes, he raps, sings. He's basically like the Pharrell Williams of Korea, I think.
Yeah. So it's very interesting. It's very excitement and very
exciting.
Yeah, how to do it. I get in the groove with it.
Even though you don't understand.
As a Jamaican, but still I used to international music, and I can tell I use soul music, jazz music, and they have this kind of rhythm there.
I mean, just like how people that are not Jamaican, that don't understand Jamaican, how to speak or how to understand patois, like probably people don't understand what you're saying and have to put subtitles. But people enjoy reggae because of the beat.
Yeah, I say.
Just like
the reggae beat. I mean, I was shocked how the guy who's in charge, YG.
He likes using reggae a little bit every few times with 21.
Yeah. So it's just the feeling. I like that. So, this can be real good.
Do you have any key artists in K-pop that you like, or do you have?
Like I said, I like G-Dragon. I like I didn't name again. The guy.
Deep Voice.
T.O.P. I like him a lot because he's
rapping.
He just cool. I mean, he calls soft. Like a wave. He don't dance, but he's have a bop. He's like a bop. Which is cool because sometimes I know you can't dance sometimes, some people can't dance, but you have to do something.
Hey, and he's sexy mofo, and it gives hope for all the chubby guys out in the world because that guy was a chubby mofo, and now look at him.
I know he's
sexy as shit.
I'm making a lot of money. Plus he's in movies though. Is he in movies?
Yeah, we saw a few movies with him.
Taeyong though. Taeyong is a different. I think I would call it directly a black Korean guy. I don't want to say that much, but
hey, you Jamaican. You born in Jamaica. You can say whatever.
He has a flow.
He's basically the Asian Usher. That's how I found him.
He met the girls. All the girls like him, man. This guy is I call it. He's just looking everything. His body is built. Everything is. And he sings good and dance.
His inspiration is who? Michael Jackson.
Usher.
Look
at Usher. What you call it?
Like an Usher prodigy. Like he came from the Usher school.
Yeah, but I know you analyze Michael Jackson.
A lot of people do.
In pop music, Michael Jackson. In reggae,
King.
Bob Marley. So those guys.
In K-pop,
they made the of the bar, and they have to.
No one can beat Bob Marley in reggae. I mean, his sales and his legacy is already done.
King Michael Jackson.
He is the king of pop. No one could outreach him.
No, because basically I grew up with Michael Jackson in a way because I'm 57. Michael Jackson is a little younger than me, but I saw when this guy grew up from young to come straight up. I can tell how he was going to rise. And I grew up with Bob Marley, of course. I'm Jamaican, so that's a thing I have in my blood. And when it comes to reggae and all that stuff and carry music, I can get in that kind of flow. But and I can see that all the Korean they love that stuff, man. They love pop music, the reggae music. They there are different types like EXO is very good. Is very good too. And Vix. There's
Vix. They know from Camel likes to talk about.
That's good. So I don't. Most of it is the Dragon.
It's because of me.
Big Bang.
Because of me.
But still,
I'm a YG boy.
But I can still. But
they're talented.
They're very talented. They're not. They have their own talent in their own way.
The thing about Big Bang is that they're all individuals. Together. I feel like they can all be solo artists, but they could be a group as well.
And there's always in every band like Justin Timberlake pinned out guys,
Yeah, you can say G-Dragon.
As I said, like G-Dragon, look, he's pinned out because you can see that he has different Michael Jackson was back in 5. When he was back in 5, Michael was the standout man. I mean, standout guy. You know, so
you know what? In NSYNC and Michael Jackson's case, I mean, Justin Timberlake and Michael Jackson, they literally stood out. But with Big Bang, there's other Taeyang is not like another person.
Basically, Taeyang, I thought
he can stand out too.
Yeah, I thought Taeyang.
Chuck can stand out if he wants.
Yeah, but I thought Taeyang was better than G-Dragon, but seemed like even out.
During the trainings, when the evaluation, Taeyang always used to beat G-Dragon, but I guess G-Dragon is like pushing. He likes to push boundaries. You can see. The boy can wear whatever he wants.
Change image. Yeah,
he can wear whatever he wants, and everybody accepts it. Okay.
Yeah. So
But yeah, man, that's a good conversation about K-pop.
I know. I do not know the real culture of Korean. I mean Korean because, but I can tell that they love this kind of music. You know, and the crowd gets rare. I mean, they don't get crazy like American crazy, but they get crazy too.
I think American crowds are crazier, to be honest.
You know, there are different type of
Korean crowds are very respectful.
Yeah, right. Respectful. Yeah, right.
They say chants and everything, like a soccer game, a football game.
Just like the Asian, they bow to you. They respect people. They bow to you and they give you the respect. I mean, cultural America is different. They go wild. I mean, they go crazy.
Freedom. They do whatever they want. Anyways, thanks for
like J-Park. J-Park is he's a Korean American, but but you can tell how he still has American image.
Yeah, like that.
And then
he's bringing it to Korea.
That's it. But it might catch on.
He's coming to America too. He's coming to tour in America, and I'm not going to see it. So, well.
Yeah.
All right, guys.